Morning traders, I'm in a bit of a hurry here because the market is like right about to open and my laptop is giving me shite. Look at this. It's on. It's on, but it's doing this. Come on. I got a brand new 50k account, seeing that in the last video I blew my account like a stupid idiot. I bought a new 50k account. There's my email, my confirmation email. Yeah, so we're gonna be trading that bad boy today. I'm gonna have to analyze on my phone until my laptop decides to freaking work with me. So I will let you know how that goes, or if my laptop decides to come back. Right, we are officially back online on the laptop. It's been 14 minutes. 14 minutes and I found a setup. I've set an order, a limit order. Shit, it doesn't look like it's going to tap me in. Crap. Okay, but I'm going to show you. I set a limit order for Euro US dollar. We're looking for buys. And then looking to get this new account started right. You already know it is in 2%. I cannot be asked to blow this account. I'm freaking losing myself. Okay, so I can't blow this account. Oh, we're not going to get tapped in. I'll show you the setup. So on the 15-minute red line there, sweep of sell side liquidity, drop down to the 3-minute, break of structure, and then we have this gap over here. That is my limit order. Just waiting for it to come down, tap in, stop loss there, TP is up there. Come on, we are tapped into the trade. It's on the 5-minute, so it's basically within that gap. We got tapped in. Now we just need Euro US dollar to push to the upside. This is the first trade on the new 50k account. I'm bloody hoping to get a win here because my issue was in the last one. I saw 4%. I thought, okay, you know what? Yes, we can pass this thing within this coming week. And then I was like, once I took a loss, I lost my head and then I blew the account. That's in the previous video. You can go check it out. Yeah, I just overtraded and it went poorly for me, like it does. So I'm not making that same mistake this time. Regardless of whether I win or not, my mindset needs to stay the same, and it needs to say, you know what, just because you're up 4%, just because you're up 2, 3, 4, 5%, does not mean you're not going to lose, you know. And that's where my head went. So with this one, open mind, I can lose this trade, and that's okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, trade update. You guys might be mad at me for this, might call me silly, but I closed out on the Euro US dollar position at a loss on like $200 or something like that, and I re-entered on GBPJPY, but not buys, sells, because I saw a better setup play out on GJ and I saw Euro US dollar was just not respecting my analysis. So I closed out that one early and I entered GBPJPY, risking about just over 1%, like 1.5%. So a loss here still takes me down 2%, no more than that. So I'm going to show you what I saw on GJ and what Euro US dollar is doing. So Euro US dollar decided to just completely disrespect both those gaps and is now pushing down aggressively, right? Which is usually not a problem because I could see how it could do this and then go up. However, if we look at GBPJPY, this is my A plus setup. Sweep of Asian high, and then on the 1-minute, break of structure and fair value gaps above as well. So sells being entered on GJ.
A few moments later.
Yeah, boys, this is probably the quickest end to a trading day that I'm gonna have because I have been taken out. How in the nations have I been taken out? I'm gonna show you how in the nations because it's actually quite annoying. GBPJPY, freaking hell, man, gave us extremely good hope. Great push to the downside. Got to here. This was about 1%, just under 1% that we were in profit. And then it gave this freaking Drake candle, and then this candle took me out. But you see, it's not by my stop loss, right? No, it's not. Yeah, lads, I got taken out by spread. This is GBPJPY. All the other pairs that I trade, their spreads are like this. They're perfectly fine. But GBPJPY just cannot give me a break. So I got taken out now by spread. And I see now it's actually pushing down a bit. So that's very annoying. But okay, you know what? I was very tempted to take another trade. I'm not going to lie to you. But no, I cannot be asked to blow another account. So I'm just going to get up, get dressed, have breakfast, and let's see what to do today. We'll see. Day in the life of a forex trader. What to do, I never know, honestly. Point is, we are down 2% on the new account. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. It's only 2%. I made sure to risk no more than 2%. So tomorrow we recover that, I hope. Okay, there we go. Stop loss has actually been hit this time, so I can't be mad because it wasn't just spread. Stop loss fully took me out. So now I can go have an actual decent day knowing that I got taken out fair and square. Nothing I could do about it. Fair and square. So I can have a good day. What's annoying is that Euro US dollar, my first entry, is actually pushing up a bit. We still would have been in drawdown, but it's still pushing up a little bit. So I hope that goes to stop loss. So I now would have lost that as well. And I didn't make a mistake closing that early. Because it's basically at my break-even point again. That's not ideal. Ah, come on. Righto. I'm now dressed. Do I look like a golfer? Do I look like a golfer? You can't even see the fit actually. So that's the golf fit. Where am I going? I wonder where I'm going. Stupid ass. Yeah, I booked myself a tea time for 10 past 2. It's now 1:30, so I'm going to leave the house in a few minutes. I'm going to play somewhere else today. I decided I'm not staying in the house all day today like I did yesterday. So I'm going to leave the house. I'm going to go play a long round of golf. Get my mind off of today's losses. After that, I don't know. Maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Off to the golf course. Right, lads, I've arrived at the golf course. It's actually a very nice view and a very nice day. Let's look at what I'm looking at right now. Look at that. Quite nice, quite nice. I have to hurry inside because I'm late for my tea time. I was supposed to start 10 past 2. It is now 11 past 2. So I gotta get inside and then I will see you on the course. Probably not. I'll see. I don't know. I'll see. I hope you boys can hear me. I'm getting to about the halfway point of my golf tour. There's nobody with me, so no one can film me playing. So I'm kind of just having to inform you guys here. I'm about halfway. I'm about 7. I'm doing an 18 hole. So far, not looking too great. Not going well. But I'll see you guys at the end.
The next.
Boys, I actually overslept a bit today. I got on the charts with like 2 minutes before market opens, which is okay. Because my laptop decided to be quicker today. I placed a massive freaking Shein order last night. This is my total. Look at that shit. So that hurt me. We're gonna have to take a few winning trades and pass this account. Because seriously, I am waiting for the payout. That payout is coming on Friday. So that'll probably be in the next video. For now, we're gonna check what the charts have to say. We're gonna take a winning trade today. I believe that. You know, believe it, achieve it. Let's get it. Okay, boys, I'm in a setup. It took freaking almost an hour. It's been about 50 minutes. So we are in a setup on gold. Surprising, I know. When do I ever trade gold? Not often. But this was a really nice setup that I like. The issue now is my MT5, my account didn't let me risk what I wanted to risk. Because I'll show you the entry now. It's quite a good entry. I like to risk 2%. We know this. But on MT5, for some or other reason, I think maybe like it's a margin issue or leverage issue. I'm not sure. But they're only letting me risk like 1.5%. Which is, it's okay, but it's not where I want to be. But anyway, let me show you the setup. Right, so 15-minute sweep of buy side liquidity, 1 minute break of structure. I entered over there. So yeah, not too bad. My 1-to-1 is here. Final TP 1-to-2. So I've now checked. We can essentially make about 3% from this trade, where I normally would want to make 4%, which is still okay, I guess. So winning trade here takes us up 3%, meaning that we'll be up about 1% on the account. So something. That's something. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Stop loss to break even. Let's go. Risk-free trade. What a day. What a day. So stop loss at break even. We can't lose anything now. I'm just hoping it goes to TP, man. I can't be also take out a break even. Then we're still in drawdown. TP is going to secure us 3%, meaning we're going to be up about 1%. So yeah, but okay, we're not going to lose anything today. So there's a plus. Guys, my TP just got edged like crazy. My TP just got edged and now it's pushing up a little bit. Look at that. It's right there. It's right there. And then it pushed up. Come on, push down. Go eat TP. Come on. Come on, baby. Okay, we know this doesn't work when I film, so I'll come back to you. I'm not even gonna lie to you boys. The trade reversed on me. The trade came this close to hitting my TP, and it reversed and is now pushing towards the upside. And then it reversed again and smacked my take profit. Take profit was hit. I did my calculations wrong apparently. Apparently I was risking literally like less than 1.5%, which is crazy. So my TP secured me like 2.5% maybe, because I'm in profit of 0.5% now. And I was in drawdown of 2%. So secured me like 2.5% profit. It's something. It's not what I wanted to secure, but for some reason I wasn't allowed to risk more, but I will take it. So we end the day, break even on the account. This just means we have tomorrow and we have Friday to secure as much profit as we can. But okay, we end the day at profit. I said we're hitting TP today. That's a good thing. I've got work in like an hour and a half. So that's fun. Gotta go do some coaching. That looked so mad. And then yeah, from there I'm just gonna take it easy. I'm happy. We won today. Take it easy. Yeah. By the way, go follow my TikTok and my Instagram, please. I will put the links in the bio and the freaking stuff everywhere. Go follow me there, please. I'm looking to build that shit up. Alright, boys, you can see I'm in the car now, yeah? I've had to come get supper. I don't even know how to feel. Should I feel like happy? Should I feel upset? I don't know. This morning we caught a nice 1-to-2 on gold. You guys saw that, right? You saw that. Beautiful. I checked the charts now again, because when I took that trade this morning, I genuinely in my head thought I can actually hold this thing out for like a 1-to-4, 1-to-5, because I really don't see it just retracing. I don't see it. But I didn't do that. I stuck to my 1-to-2. Cool. I thought I'm following my rules, man. I'm following my rules. That bastard went for a 1-to-10. a 1 to 10, boys, I would have passed the freaking account. I would have passed the account. Honestly speaking, I wouldn't have held out for a 1 to 10. I'll be so honest. But still, man, that's crazy. So finally, we got the analysis full on right and we secured a winning trade. As of now, the account is still break even. I'm about to go get supper and then we're going to head home. And then, yeah, but I just had to share that with you guys. The thing went from 1 to 10. Crazy.
Later.
Right, traders, I'm back home. Let's do a recap of today's trades. So today I obviously took a loss on my first trade on this account, which took me down into drawdown on the 50k account of negative 2%. But then after that, I took a winning trade of 2% again. Should have been 4%, but obviously MT5 didn't let me risk more. Stupid ass. So we should have been up 4% right now, but instead we are still break even on the account. I'm up by like $200, so half a percent. So overall, we end the account basically break even. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new. If you're not new, just share the video, man. Share the channel around. Let people subscribe if they're into this kind of stuff. Alright, cool, boys. I thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully. Yeah. Alright. Cheers, boys.